Okay, I got something quick. This is going to start off from like more support internal tooling. This came from a Chrome extension that Johnny shared with me. So shout out to Johnny for sharing that. And that kind of made me realize how much data is sent to the browser pretty much always whenever we open up a query or do anything in Omni. And so the idea here is that I wanted to bring some of that context into just like the workflow. So jumping into a workbook, I want to know stuff about the connection, maybe some like query info, or just have some links there. So anytime we run a query, this extension is going to be blasting a bunch of information up on the screen. I'm just going to keep doing this because it goes away pretty fast. But I can see connection info. Does it have Git, DBT? Even if there's a query model, I can show that. And if this document is owned by me or not. Because sometimes jumping into a document and you start making edits and you realize, oh, it's the customer's document. That's kind of like a guardrail against that. And then the other day, Nate had an idea to like auto generate a GitHub issue based on whatever page you are in Omni. So kind of added that as well, which is pretty sick. Basically, it just takes the page and the instance info and can pretty much auto generate like an issue template and also label based on if you're in the workbook or the dashboard. So I feel like that would be pretty useful as well. The other cool thing is that I'm able to pull the trace ID from the specific query that's running on the page. So you can just quick jump into AWS and see what's going on there. So if there's any other cool stuff to add, that's what I'm looking for here. But otherwise, this is just a fun little extension to add on what we have already.